So this morning, I have granddaughter Kimberly, great-granddaughter Kaylee, that sodium attacker, helping me today. What are we going to make today, Kaylee?
Today we're going to make chicken stew with dropped dumplings.
Wow. In my pot, I have 5 cups of bottled water with no sodium because my tap water's got sodium in it. 5 packages of Herb Ox, sodium-free chicken bouillon. My grocery store, Walmart, Amazon, or Healthy Heart Market. A must for every low-sodium kitchen. Take it away, Kaylee.
In this dish, we have 1 medium onion chopped up, and that's 4 milligrams of sodium. We also have 1 cup of celery chopped up, and that's 81 milligrams of sodium. 1 cup of carrots chopped up, and that's 65 milligrams of sodium. 1 medium zucchini chopped up, and that's 16 milligrams of sodium. 1 medium yellow squash chopped up, that's 4 milligrams of sodium. And half a teaspoon of dried minced garlic that has no sodium.
For our seasonings, we have 1 bay leaf, 1½ teaspoons of basil, a half a teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of rubbed sage, and then 1½ teaspoons of oregano that has 1 milligram of sodium. Pour it in. And then 1½ pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. It's 420 milligrams of sodium. All right.
You can use any kind of potatoes because potatoes have no sodium, but today we're using these little guys. So, yeah.
They have red potatoes,
Purple
potatoes and white potatoes.
Yeah.
So you get a little bit of everything.
Now that we cut our potatoes in half, you can add them to the pot.
Subscribe to my channel and you'll get a new low sodium recipe every Friday. Sometimes another little added tip on there to help you along your way. In the description of this video is a link to all of my low sodium cooking courses. Oh, just click on that. There's a lot of recipes in those courses that you can download and print, make your own cookbook. If there are any courses that you're interested in, leave me a comment. I will respond with a discounted price coupon. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you look at it and you say, oh, I knew all of this stuff, turn it back in. You have nothing to lose, but you have a whole low-sodium life to gain. You can use leftover turkey to make this stew. When we get finished simmering our chicken, I'll shred it, tell you how many cups we've got. So you can use your leftover turkey if you want to, but check that sodium. Some turkey has 59 milligrams of sodium for 4 ounces. Oh, and it goes up to over 600. Check the sodium. Recalculate your stew so you know how much sodium is in your turkey stew. It took just a little bit over 2 hours for the veggies to get cooked and all those seasonings go through. The chicken's cooked, shredded. We got 3 cups of shredded chicken. Put it right back in the pot. Now it's time to make a slurry. So we have 1 cup of bottled water, half a cup of flour, and we're going to put in a half a cup of heavy cream. Stir that until it's like a slurry. There. It's gonna go in our stew. We'll stir that until it starts to get a little thick, and we'll make our dumplings.
Now it's time to start making the drop dumplings. In the bowl already we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and we're going to add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and a 1/4 cup melted unsalted butter. I'm going to make 1-inch dumplings out of this dough, and then we're going to put it in the pot with the cover on top. We got 16 dumplings in our stew. Using chicken, the whole pot has 711 milligrams of sodium. We have 6 servings of stew, but you might have more, and each of our servings have 119 milligrams of sodium. And using turkey for the stew, the sodium will be determined by the label. It's a great way to use leftover Christmas turkey.